finish my meal, but this is Mr. Nicholas. He is
guys.
the restaurant manager here at Farmacy UK in Notting Hill, and he's going to be gracious enough to just spend maybe just 60 seconds with me just to basically tell me about the restaurant, why it's good to eat plant-based, and the benefits that he has felt being a plant-based eater, and just his experience here running the restaurant. So 10 seconds. So, Mr. Nicholas, I really appreciate you taking the time to meet with me. I know that you're very busy. Like I said, this is my second time here, and I really love the food. I always have a great time when I come. I'm here alone today, but I'm still enjoying the time. And I just wanted to ask you, are you plant-based? Do you eat a plant-based diet?
Yeah, since 2009, I watched a documentary, Earthlings, which when I watched that, it was the trigger to become a plant-based, to follow a plant-based diet, because in reality, we don't really need to use any animal products or to eat animals. So once I watched that film, I felt like something broke inside me. So I'm like, okay, this is it. So I'm gonna start to follow, which it was quite easy, and because it was so conscious what I was doing, so just I didn't have any difficulties in, since 2009 I'm plant-based, I follow a plant-based diet. So by working here in the pharmacy, it's such an amazing experience, because we say and we promote a healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, which actually based on a plant-based. And you can do so many things, if you we make cheese from the nuts, which they give that cheese flavor, and you don't really need, all to still continue to use any animal products. However, as I said before to you, we don't try to convert anybody to become like vegan. We're here, we welcome everybody, and we welcome everybody to show them what it means to eat healthy. And most of our dishes here, they're organic, so we are not counting any calories, but we do care how the products that we done, and therefore we have a small farm in Kent, which we source in all our seasonal vegetables. And I was working there about 3 weeks ago. So everything is organic. That means it's a lot of hard work to protect all the lettuce, all the kale that we have. We need to cover it by the half. You need to cover it, and it's such a big work, but it's actually worth it. That's why people, when they come here, they're like, "Oh my God, your food is so delicious!" But why it's so delicious? Because exactly we follow the old traditional methods that Mother Nature.
Exactly, you're making sure that everything is organic and that it's fresh, and that's one of the things that I noticed when I came here to eat the first time, that the food was so fresh. But one thing I want to ask you is, since you went plant-based in 2009, did you notice any health changes in you, any health benefits? Is there anything that you can share with my followers?
So on the first year that I become, I follow like vegetarian meals. I make one night when I'm back in Cyprus, because I'm from there, and they're big meat lovers. So my grandmother was insist, "Oh, come on, eat this meat and eat this." So I have a piece of meat, after like 6 months when I was like, and I'm like, okay, and I have I think it was beef whatever. And even when I was eating it, I wasn't feeling like I want to swallow that. But anyway, and then the next day I felt so heavy. I felt like I was like a bit almost like depressed. I was feeling a bit low in energy. And honestly, and that made me realize, oh my God, it's such a big difference. Because when you're consuming everyday meat, probably you not realize actually that what you're eating is have some for or reflect on your body, and specific on the energy levels.
Right.
So when I have experienced that just triggered my mind. Actually, I feel more energized when I follow like a plant-based diet. Or eating vegetables. And people say, you feel hungry every day? No, I eat more, and also my food when I'm consuming, I feel like it stimulates more with my body, and it's more beneficial.
Like it's medicine to your body, right? Yeah, exactly.
That's why we call here a pharmacy, because we look in the food as your medicine. If the food is sourced and nurtured or grow with an organic way, so no chemicals, and also you follow that plant-based, because all the nutrition that you need, it is in the plants.
Yeah.
What the animals eat, plants.
Exactly.
You see, so that's why we say pharmacy, because whatever you eat has some more is working as a medicine into your body. So
exactly.
That's why we're trying here to do. We want to increase the awareness of healthy lifestyle, and the awareness like a plant-based diet could have so many benefits in your body. I seek before I used to seek more often than now, but nowadays, if I sick, it would be
Just a few days,
yes,
not long.
exactly, and then it's just gone.
It's gone, yeah.
And of course, because something which I do, I don't consume any like medicines. I'm trying to. I'm just away. Just push medicine away. I don't need that.
Exactly.
I probably have like a herbal tea or something.
Oh, really? Wow, that's great.
But I'm trying to avoid it. I have to be very bad to consume to take any.
To take any medicine has to be really bad. Well, do you have a lot of meat eaters that come here to the restaurant that tell you afterwards, hey, I really love the food. I can't believe that it was plant-based. I would love to come again. Do you get that a lot?
Yes, we have a lot of people coming about our mac and cheese when they come here and they taste and they're like, really? There's no dairy in there? I'm like, yeah. So they're quite, surprised.
They're surprised.
But I understand them why they're surprised, because if you think how the plant-based diet started beginning, it was like the macrobiotics diet, which was like plain steamed vegetables.
Yeah.
No, this is not only this.
Exactly.
You have so many options.
The food is tasty.
Yes. You can do so many. You can be so much creative with the food.
Yes.
And then actually, why they get surprised, especially when they have in front of them, and they have like a full menu of choices. Even we surprise vegan people over here. They're like, oh my god, I don't know, what should I choose? And they get confused because the first time that a restaurant offers a full variety of choices.
Yeah. What is your favorite thing on the menu? What would you recommend to anybody that comes here for the first time?
So if I'm coming by myself, I'm gonna have the mac and cheese. But if you come here with a company, as you see, it's nice. The nachos is the best way to start, because you have like the guacamole, the frijoles, the marinara. It's a nice things, to start with. But also from the mains, my favorite is the green curry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And the kichari dal.
So you like spicy food?
I do.
Yeah.
It's just how I like my life to be spicy.
Right, spicy, exactly.
Yeah.
Wow, Nicholas, thank you so much for this information.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate you taking the time to just let viewers know that it's cool to be plant-based, it's good for your health, and like you said, this is not here to make people eat a certain way, it's just to bring awareness. But one more thing I want to ask you, have you guys ever considered opening a restaurant in the United States? Because I know you don't have one.
Oh my god, you know that we only one now here in London. We don't have, we have only one restaurant. So I think we have people ask us like for all around the world, oh why? And it's true, I do believe like it should be one pharmacy in each neighborhood.
Right.
But that's mean a lot of, it's a big project.
Yes.
But we're looking to expand sometime soon here in London.
Oh, okay.
Maybe 1 or 2. That's a little gift for your viewers.
Yay!
But nothing yet confirmed. But yeah, we're looking to expand, but we don't want to make a big giant steps. It's like baby steps, because again, we don't want to lose any of the quality. And again, it's not about making money, it's about increasing the awareness of the people. Like whatever you eat it reflects on your body.
It does reflect on your body.
And therefore, be careful what you eat, guys. So you don't need to, some things, we just have habits.
Yes.
It's about become aware of your habits and just think the value of what you have in front of you every time when you're gonna eat. Is that worth it to put in my body? Because your body is your temple. So
absolutely. And I bought the Farmacy cookbook.
Oh,
so
it's an amazing
yes,
book.
I will be sharing a lot of the recipes online with some of my viewers. So I can't wait to share that. And I'm really grateful that you took the time to speak with me. And I wish you an absolutely wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nicholas.
Thank you.
Thank you.